What if the key to weight loss isn't starving yourself, but blending veggies? I lost 6 pounds with this carrot smoothie, and I'm sharing the recipe today. Hey everyone! Tired of crash diets that leave you hangry? This isn't another miracle trend. It's a nutrient-packed smoothie that actually works. Let's talk about how carrots changed my weight loss journey. We've all been there. Fad diets, endless cardio, and still, the scale won't budge. The problem? Most diet foods leave you starving. But what if you could replace meals with something that keeps you full and burns fat? Meet your new BFF, the carrot smoothie. Here's why it works. 1. Carrots. Fiber plus beta-carotene equals boosted metabolism. 2. Spinach. Iron for energy, 0 calories. 3. Banana. Potassium plus natural sweetness, no sugar crash. 4. Almond milk. Creamy protein to curb cravings. Step-by-step demo. Add 2 chopped carrots, 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup spinach, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tops honey, ice. Blend until smooth. I drank this smoothie for breakfast every day for a week. No starving, no cravings. By day 7, 6 pounds gone. The fiber kept me full and the vitamins gave me non-stop energy. This isn't just a smoothie, it's a lifestyle hack. Packed with antioxidants, it's great for skin, digestion, and yes, weight loss. Ready to try it? If you love this, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. Comment below, what's your favorite healthy swap? And don't forget to check out my other weight loss tips linked below.